Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. A jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper of Monday, September 4th, 2023. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. So it's time now for the second regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And the news of today, well, I've told you earlier 10 times, yes. Number 10 for Max Verstappen. Verstappen, he won 10 times in a row the Formula 1. Alright. Yesterday, I believe, in Italy. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of those puzzles I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one. 7036. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 26 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one's 26, I believe, or 20. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's 20, not 26. All right. Okay. Let me see. Which okay. Let me start. Let's get started. And the first question to you is, by the way, 20 should be a 1-star puzzle. That means I need to be faster than 50 minutes for 1-star puzzle. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Yeah, single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Next question. Let me check. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these are 3 boxes. Round the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Do we have more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. The next shape. Yeah. Yeah, my first strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. And we have here the first shape. The following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z or the S construction, if you rotate this, you will get the Z. Same for this shape, is also a Z. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me put the L shape here. It's rotated. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1, because we have double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction should be there. And this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this Z construction should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2 are missing. Let me mark those. This box is connected with that box. This box is also connected with that box. Should be 1 or a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This, wait. Let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here, because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So, not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1, and that box can be a 1, so the only place left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be, should be a 4, can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. This box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then 2. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 and more. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also 2. So in this Z or S construction, 1 digit left should be the 1, is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4, that means that this box can be 4 and need more. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Then this box can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then let me see. This box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Same for that box, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. And now. I think this box should be a 2. Because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Then. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, almost finished. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Finish. Oh, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes and there. And now it's finished in 50 minutes. Wow. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.